Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Look at this picture right here. Me talk about this guy in a couple different videos in St. Martin. Ronnie Man Tooth. Him go around with Skebe and Skillet. Now, what them do, them go around and them steal cars. They are car thief in the French quarters. Now, Ronnie Man Tooth, him is in St. Martin illegal, cause him come from St. Lucia. Chebe, him come from Grenada. And the other boy, bottom feeder, Skillet, he's from St. Martin. All them do, them go around and steal people car and do a lot of crime. With that said, let's go.
I see you get millions and millions and millions of views.
Yeah.
Where are you from? This community?
Well, originally I'm from Simbab, Snake Valley.
Yeah.
Understand? But I'm into this community yet.
Yeah, but you're here now.
Yeah, now I'm representing full 100.
Talk to me about these gold chains I see. If I was bald, it looks a little bit like me. You see the big belly for good luck.
Buddha, prosperity. Buddha.
So for people around the world that haven't heard of you, maybe you can shout out your channel. How do people find you?
I'll find my Plumpy Boss Official on Instagram, YouTube, Plumpy Boss. You know,
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the Great. Great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click the notification button. Editor Boss, big up yourself. Long time in a hear from Nanny. Nanny, give me a call. Now, we did a video yesterday on Plumpy over there in St. Martin's. And come to find out that he got shot in his head and now he's in a doctor-induced coma. I guess everybody here is mother, Warrior Princess. Yo, Warrior Princess, big up yourself from Countryman, cause you know say me and you are friend from a long time. And a long time I not hear from you. So Warrior Princess, give me a call. Now, back to this thing here. With Plumpy Boss, really and truly, it upsetting and it pissed me off. It even pissed me off more than the situation with Cayman 6 when him come back from the hotel, when him come back from traveling and from the airport. What really upset me, this man, Plumpy Boss, swanny shit on the youth and all sort of thing. The youth still stay in his career. He may not be the smartest guy, but him character, him have a stand-up character. Oh, me know that. I watch him body language and I watch the things him do. When Plumpy Boss mother come him house, come cuss him and go on and say all sort of nasty stuff, this man never answer back him mother. Never disrespect him mother. In the video right here, you see how I'm talking to Christmas Dunce. Look at the man body language. Very humble guy. Very much at ease with himself. You understand? You can tell a youth you love music. Unlike Swanny when Christmas Dunce was at Swanny house in Miami or wherever them there. Swanny was uncomfortable in him house and in him own skin. So this situation here when an artist can leave from them own a country and go to another country to perform and entertain and end up get shoot up like this is definitely a worrying situation, and it shows a whole different trend. Now we know say West Bank and Yo Killer, they are the ones behind the six branching out all over the place. You see how West Bank have a lot of money. West Bank Yo Killer is out of jail from the feds charge, and then right after him come out, him get catch again, coming from Tortola with about £1 million of coke. I am not sure if he's back out, but I do know he has a lot of money. All the trucking business, hotel business, him own it. Him mother, and him family. Me know that for a fact. So when it comes to Plumpy Boss and the 7, honestly say now things escalate. Honestly say West Bank of the Caribbean pan lock, except Jamaica. So if you now go out there go perform, you have to vet the promoter them. Cause you see the promoter will keep that show here in St. Martin. You understand that for the Jamaica, the man them would have scrubbed him out long bomb buckler at time. Because that promoter right there, he is mixed up in the 6. Now promoter boy, we know say you align yourself with Yo Killer and West Bank them. You must, and we know you must pick up money from them. You understand? Now, may I tell you now, the talk down on the ground from my intel them in a St. Martin. Yo Killer, me here send a hitman by boat from Tortilla to come a St. Martin and shoot up Plumpy them. You understand? And the man do the job and go back on a boat and gone back at Tortilla. And listen, that me believe to the very ground me walk on, because you see Yo Killer, him is very educated and them man about the water, the boat, him have a whole heap of boat, him live on the water, him all rent boat. So him know every crevice and every corner and him motive of operation and so him work. So once again, I tell the police them to look into this. Yo Killer, put the hit pan Plumpy them, send man from Tortilla upon boat to St. Martin, the man them do the job and blow gone back at Tortilla.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now, I want to give you some perspective on the distance from British Virgin Island to St. Martin's. Now, look at the picture right there. You see the British Virgin Island, and you see St. Martin's, and you see Anguilla. So how the man them do it, them leave British Virgin Island, and a man meet them halfway by boat from Anguilla. And then them end up switch boat or switch over and go in Anguilla. After them there Anguilla, about 20 minutes by boat to St. Martin's. So overall about 80 to 90 miles. That's about 100 miles. So first them go by boat from British Virgin Island to Anguilla. They meet halfway, jump over, the man bring them go to Anguilla, and then them both in a St. Martin's. 20 minutes. So I want to go into that perspective there so you can have a picture. You understand? let's go. We are talking about St. Lucia and the White Swift and the shooting. Now, look at the picture right there. The White Swift. And recently in a St. Lucia, 2 men get shot up. Kirby and him uncle. You understand? Now, I think the youth, Kirby, him dead in the car, but the uncle did get shot in him side. And him got to the hospital and him end up dead. Now, me notice there's a trend in a St. Lucia when the man them got to the hospital with a simple thing, or maybe not simple, but got to the hospital with injury, certain injury, them now come out back. Just like the youth will get shot in him foot by police. Him end up dead. Now with that said, I want to tell you now what go down and who kill the youth here. Them 2 youth there, the uncle and the nephew. You see when Kirby are dead, him called 3 names. You understand? And the 3 names are, I want you to listen to me now. Actor, Quincy, and Apache. Now you see Actor, him are the boss. Me not have no picture for him, but me have picture for the other man them. Now, them are run with the 7 gang down in the valley. You understand? And when Kirby are dead, him call them name. The uncle and the nephew. And that we are talking about. Now, look on them picture here. Now, the boy named Quincy. You see him? My intel tell me say, yo, he's a famous hitman this in a St. Lucia. And a dangerous bike rider. What I mean dangerous is a good bike rider, like a ghost rider. Now, I remember me do a video on Kodak. And him did a ride with Kodak. When Kodak crash and fuck up, mash up him foot, lose all the eye. And then the man them go scrub him out. So the boy named Quincy, him involved in the killing with the uncle and the nephew. May I show you another picture. Now, look on that pussy there. Bottom feeder. Him have 3 guns on him. 2 in his hand and 1 on him left side. Him and Quincy was the hitman who went and did the nephew and the uncle. I want to look on him now. This is actor, one of actor hitman. Check it out. Now look at that one picture. That's Apache. Now his father got killed a couple years ago and his father named Demus. Apache was one of the men that went with them other 2 guys me show Quincy and shoot the uncle and the nephew. All we know that before Kirby died, he called their names. So me just want the police know this. Cause if me know it, me not understand how the police not know this. So everybody, that's Apache right there. Quincy, bottom feeder. Remember, you killed Denzel down by the beach for Independence. You understand? And you use one of the oldest tricks in the book where enough yard man used to use that style when them there club or foreign or New York or whatever. What you did, you send one of the young youth to go grab Denzel chain and fuck with Denzel. When Denzel make off of the youth pull out, bust a shot, and what you do, from in your hidden spot to spot you there, you shot Denzel and kill him. You use the false flag method. You understand? Now, bottom feeder, Quincy, him come from Viewfort area. But because him name a ring like a bell, cause him is a hitman, them say him a ghost rider. Him name a ring like a bell, so him leave Viewfort and go down inna the valley, and him, Actor, Quincy, and Apache, and we can bet more man there, them team up with and form them gang down at the valley, and Actor is the leader. Now, if anybody have a picture of Actor, please send it my way. And I am about to round this up, but I want to address something that happened today. Mr. Timothy Pullian, I'm very disappointed in you. Your talk show is the most censored talk show in the world, on the planet. Today, I was calling you via WhatsApp right after you took the first call, and you didn't answer my call. I even went a step further. Look at this. Now look at that. I even went further and sent Mr. Pullian a text stating that I am calling your program, I'm Countryman. There was no answer. What is the problem? Are you afraid to take my call? Now, while I was doing that, I was watching his show, and he was so disoriented. Even a caller that he was talking to was asking, Mr. Pullian, am I talking to myself? Also, at that time, he was rolling his eyes up and down, round and round and round. That's what the caller asked him. So, I say that to say this. Mr. Pullian, if you're a journalist, don't be afraid to talk to anybody. It don't make sense. You're a journalist and you're censored and you can't do anything. That's what I have to say about that. So, Mr. Pullian, question. Do you select your callers? Do you select the messages to read out? If you do, that means you're the most censored talk show on the planet. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.